Now, who would like to come here and tell this story with me? Oh, one person only. Thank you so much. Two people now. Now, why everyone else didn't put their hand up? What happened?
We don't want to push ourselves forward.
That's right. You go, all right, I'm here. I spent $87 and 4 hours of my day because I want to learn how to stand out, but I don't want to do anything to actually stand out. Isn't that true? So it's really important to get over it and go, you are in business. If you don't stand out and if you don't get the opportunity, when you have the opportunity like this, you're never gonna get there. Not there, like, I'm not saying that you're not successful. I know that a lot of you are already successful, but if you're here, I assume that you want to get to the next level. So you're not gonna get to the next level if you hide. I went to Tony Robbins' event in 2014 and he asked, at the first 5 minutes, he asked, why are you here? And everyone was silent. And then I went, shit, that's my hand. And he picked me. And I'm going, shut up. And then my head was going, I'm a life coach. I can't look stupid in front of my clients. There's so many clients of mine here. That's bad. And then I thought, get over it, because he's gonna drill you. He's gonna do it anyway. So just, I might as well enjoy it. And I was so much resistant, I did not want to let go. I was like, no, you're not going there. You're not gonna make me cry. 2 minutes later, I was crying. So it's important that you let go. You need to step up on your comfort zone every single time, even though it might look silly. You will still look better than the people that didn't put their hand up. So I'm going to ask you one more time. Who would like to come up here and share the story? Oh, now we got lots of hands up.